Hi Ruchit sir, welcome to the show. Good morning sir, how are you?
Hi, very good morning, Vignesh. I'm very much fine and thank you very much for inviting me to your show today.
Thank you for your time sir. Sir, what's the outlook for the Nifty?
Overall, the market trend still continues to be positive. We have seen that recently, no any dips which are coming on in intraday front, they are getting bought into. We already had one corrective action as we had discussed last time that no previous week on Monday and first after of the Tuesday, price rise correction was done. And after that, we have not seen any follow-up selling. Also, the broader markets have again started participating. So I think the trend still remains positive. 14,000 is one mark which everyone is eyeing on. So since this is one of the historical mark for the Nifty to reach that milestone. And I think once that 14,000 gets crossed, since market is at all-time high, as per technical analysis, reciprocal retracement theories usually work to come out with the target projections when we are trading at all-time high. And such retracement of the previous correction is giving us a short-term target around 14,160 for the Nifty. So we are expecting this momentum to continue up to 14,160 on the Nifty, and 13,850 has now become a good support for short term.
15,000 likely sir next year? Early next year?
Yes, probably. I'm not sure whether early next year because last 4 months we had a run up without any meaningful correction. So whether that run up would continue without any correction, that is very difficult to take a call right now. But yes, if we talk about next year, certainly I think 15,000 would be on the card for Nifty.
What about Bank Nifty sir?
Yeah, the trend for Bank Nifty also remains positive. 31,000 was the one mark which was acting as a resistance for 1.5 week. And it has comfortably crossed that 31,000 mark and is trading about that in last two sessions. So I think on any dips, from a trading perspective, that 31,000 would act as a support now, and we can expect levels around 31,800 on the higher side.
Sir, stocks that are looking good on the chart?
In fact, one should continue to ride this trend on the long side only. HCL Tech is one of the stock which is looking good on the chart. The IT space has given a good participation in this bull run, and still we are expecting this up move to continue because Nifty IT index is much positively poised. So at current levels of around 940, one can go long on HCL Tech with a stop loss below 912, expecting near-term targets around 965 first, and once 965 is crossed, 1005 would be on the cards. Apart from that, Maruti is one stock from the auto space, which has seen some price-wise correction in last couple of weeks, and now the stock is poised very nicely to resume its broader uptrend. So at current levels, I think yesterday also, if you look at the price up move, the volumes were good along with the price up move. So some long formations are there in Maruti. At current levels of around 7,600, 7,630 range, one can go long with stop loss below 7,430 for short term, expecting targets around 8,100.
Sir, apart from this, anything that you would want to say for next year to our viewers?
Yes, I think this has been a roller coaster ride. I would say that for traders as well as investors this year of 2020. We never thought at the start of 2020 that we would see such swings on both the sides in the market. But we have to take it as the market is supreme. And going ahead, I think now the trend is set for next couple of years. In fact, we have seen a good amount of bear market, I would say, as far as mid caps are concerned. After mid caps getting topped in 2018, till this first half of 2020, the mid caps had not given any much good returns to investors. So I think next year would be the time where the mid caps would now cover up for this underperformance of last 2.5 years. So I think look for quality mid caps for 2020. And I think one should certainly trade with a positive bias and take any dips as a good opportunity to create fresh long.
Thank you so much for your support, sir, the whole of year 2020, which is one of the toughest year for the investors. And looking forward for your continued advice and support in times to come.
Yeah, thanks, Vignesh. And let me conclude this by wishing a very happy new year to all the traders and investors and your entire team as well.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir, for your time.